Hey guys, my name is Joe Dancer with Dana Financial Group, and we're still on the topic of financial foundation in 4 steps. Today we're going to focus on the bottom, protection. So how does one even calculate the amount of protection they need, right? And it's very simple. We use the DIME method. Ever heard of the DIME method? Debt, income, mortgage, education. Again, I'll repeat that again. Debt, income, mortgage, and education. We use those 4 to determine the amount of protection that one needs. So let's start with the debt. How many debts do you have? Is it student loans? Is it a car loan? Is it a home? You know, the list goes on, right? So let's start with the debt. If you have any credit card debts, any loans, any personal loans, we put that into consideration when looking for protection needed. Then we move down to your income. So let's say, Joe, my income is $100,000. I am able to get about up to 1 million, about 10 times my income for protection. I'm capable to do that because in the industry, a simple rule, 10 years is enough for one to recover when they suffer a loss. Then we move to mortgage. You don't own a home in America, you own a mortgage, right? So mortgage, let's say I have a 30-year mortgage, I can get a 30-year term to cover that mortgage. And then finally, education. I may have kids, right? And for someone like me, if I'm not around, I would love for their education to be taken care of. So then I'll also add that into consideration. So adding all those 4 up gives us the amount of protection that one needs. DIME method, very simple. So hope you guys find this helpful. If you do, please subscribe to our channel and we'll be providing you with more and more financial tips.